Trump says America is winning the AI race by a lot. But Nvidia's own CEO just said China will win. So who's actually telling the truth? Let's start with what America has. The US holds a clear lead at the technological frontier, especially in compute scale, chip production, and raw model performance. China has been blocked from Nvidia's most advanced chip since 2022, and experts says compute is the single biggest driver of AI progress right now. US companies OpenAI, Google, Anthropic still dominate the world's most powerful closed AI models and control most of the world's AI infrastructure spending. But here's what nobody in the West is talking about. Over the past 2 weeks, the most widely used AI models in the entire world was not ChatGPT, not Claude, not Gemini. It was Kimi K2.6, a Chinese open source model most Westerners have never even heard of. China found a shortcut. When DeepSeek R1 dropped in January 2025, it was the equivalent of the Trinity nuclear test. It proved China could build world-class AI without the chips America tried to block them from. And now China is ahead in robotics, manufacturing integration, and low-cost open-source AI adoption, spreading Chinese AI model globally as the affordable alternative to US tech. The truth is, there is no single winner. America leads in AI brains, the frontier models, the chips, and the software, and China leads in AI bodies, the robots, the factories, and the drones. And Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, the man who sells the chips powering American AI, just said publicly China is going to win the AI race. China doesn't need to win the performance race to win the geopolitics. It just only needs its model to become the global standard, especially in countries the US isn't paying attention to. America has the best AI, China has the most AI, and that difference could decide the next 50 years. Follow for daily AI news. Comment, who do you think wins, USA or China?